The dimensions are weakening considerably. How bad is it? Well, it is certainly not good. Right. Where are we? Beats me.
Ratchet! To the depths! How many arms you got?
Boys?
We've been boarded! Get off me, ship, foul creature!
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose. Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, it... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Oh. Clank? Clank? Wombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming. Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome
to the nefarious city bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hey, Lomax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like? That sounds like a club, all right.
I just wanted to let you all know that your emperor has returned. And it is me, the emperor. I'm very excited to meet you.
Dr. Nefarious? So what happened to the real Emperor?
What does that mean? We all get to role play as if I just became emperor.
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Unlimited R&D, weapons, science budget for like parties every day, and everyone buy my upcoming memoir.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Forty.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe! First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid? take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! Thought it'd be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance? Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait.
There he is! The football from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
The resistance number! The resistance ends here!
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch. What doesn't temporarily exist.